Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Miriam. I showed up organized today. Yeah, I didn't want to keep apologizing every time I show up messed up. So today I'm organized. So in case you're new here, hello there. Thank you for dropping by. And in case you would love to become part of the family, do subscribe by hitting your subscription button and also turning on your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. I do upload on Wednesdays and on Sundays, so become part of the Nkosikazi family. To my returning subscribers, hey, thank you for coming back to watch another video. You know you're the reason why I keep doing this, right? So thank you for your continuous support. So, like a tradition, before we get into today's video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up because it helps me. You know, I help you, you help me. It works like that. So let's get straight into today's video. See, I came all glammed up. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I managed to achieve this hairstyle in less than 20 minutes. It can be a bridal updo, or it can just be a hairstyle that you wear out in case you're going for a dinner, you're going for some fancy occasion and you want to rock your natural hair. Sis, I got you. So let's get into the video so that you learn how to achieve this hairstyle in less than 20 minutes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say